You're a little shy?
It's shy.
I'm a little shy sometimes too.
Okay.
Okay, what do you say
The
about...
dogs are racing here at Newsport.
Aha.
They're racing and how they can stop. They're zooming and zipping and zapping. They're really fast.
The dogs?
Yeah.
I know.
I don't have a dirty dog.
I found a stick for Kelsey. Kelsey! No, Alfie. Alfie, you Alfie. Alfie just said that the doggy games are going well. How about you, Coda? How are the doggy games? And Coda said the same thing. Knockout! Dandelion!
What was your wish?
I can't tell you. It's
Oh. You could tell me.
okay. Don't you guys don't tell anybody you know
Okay.
or don't know.
Okay, I won't tell anybody.
I wish I could ride a horse.
You
I heard
do?
that. Ah! Help! Look out for anything you're scared of. Is that a bug?
I don't think so. Are you scared of bugs?
No, I just don't want to squish it because I like them.
Okay, let's see. I'll see. Nope, it is just dirt.
I love bugs.